Ukraine's head of military intelligence has warned that big changes are coming in the war that is ravaging his country. Kirill Budanov said certain events will take place beginning in August that will mark a turning point in the war. Ukraine will return to the borders of 1991, and we are not considering any other scenarios. By the end of the year, active hostilities will drop to almost zero. We will regain control over our territories in the foreseeable future, Budanov said. The US President Joe Biden announced massive military boost for Ukraine. Over 50 countries will provide Ukraine with about 140,000 anti-tank systems, more than 600 tanks, 500 artillery systems, advanced MLRS, anti-ship systems and air defense. Military experts have pointed that a plethora of heavy weaponry supplied to Ukraine by the Western Alliance would take months to fully bring online. Some systems have entered the field, including French Caesar and US-made M777 howitzers, but not in critical enough numbers to turn the tide of war against Russia. It is thought that Ukraine is training a new wave of troops on many of these systems to mount a surge over the summer. Russian took the town of Severodonetsk on June 24, and Russians are fighting through Lysychansk, the last city under Ukrainian control in the eastern Luhansk province. Luhansk Governor Serhiy Haidai said Severodonetsk would be abandoned, presumably to prevent the surrender of the fighting force there, as happened at the Azovstal steelworks in Mariupol in May. Ukrainian forces also seem to have tactically retreated from Pervilia and Belohorivka. Of concern to departing defenders was an encroaching Russian encirclement of neighboring Lysychansk. Russian forces avoided tackling its forbidding eastern heights and chose instead a slow southern encirclement. By the end of the week, they had overpowered several settlements and come within 6 miles of Bakhmut, the next major urban center likely to be hotly contested. It's been incredibly slow progress because they shifted gear in April, says Samir Puri, a senior fellow at the International Institute for Strategic Studies, who was in the Donbas during its secession from Ukraine in 2014. The Russians have barely captured Luhansk, and Donetsk is 50% under Ukrainian control. I wouldn't expect Russian progress until August. The Ukrainians have been dug in for 7-8 years and have multiple lines of defense because they always expected a frontal line of assault. What that means is slow Russian progress, not a given, and the Ukrainian capacity for counteroffensive, Puri said. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.